In case you didn't know, no, you cannot detox a COVID vaccine.
The original video advises people to bathe with baking soda, Epsom salt, and borax to draw the vaccine out of the body. But
I read online that you can take a bath in borax, and that will cleanse you of any nanotechnologies.
You sure, Senator Cruz? That sounds kind of dumb.
No, you're dumb.
Wishful thinking and a myth. Vaccines don't work that way.
Once you're injected, the life-saving vaccination process has already begun. You can't unring a bell, it's just not physically possible.
Potentially a big problem. The spike protein is capable of causing widespread damage to the heart and cardiovascular system. If your body has been instructed to make this protein, then it's potentially a big problem. Therefore, finding a way to help deal with this is of the utmost importance. There are multiple studies which have found that people with the post-viral syndrome experience thickness of the blood and widespread blood clotting. It's now known that these tiny microclots which form in the blood vessels all throughout the body are caused by the spike protein. Ultimately, what spike does is alters the composition of the blood and triggers widespread vascular inflammation. Now, if the body can't break down these clots through a process called fibrinolysis, then the cells can't get enough oxygen. You see, oxygen transfer becomes impaired and cells become hypoxic. If cells don't have enough oxygen, they lose the ability to make energy and eventually die. And for those of you who are wondering, this is the same spike protein which the body makes after receiving a certain medical procedure.
Oh, did we just get duped on the BA4 and BA5 COVID vaccine boosters? The Wall Street Journal editorial board member thinks so. They call what the CDC did deceptive. In fact, they go as far as saying that at a report done from their own study in September that showed the booster was only 22 to 43% effective. You'd think your body might make a bunch of BA4 and BA5 antibodies to fight that potential virus strain, but your body gets confused and actually just ends up making a lot more of the old antibodies to the Wuhan strain.